Hello everybody. I'm going to give you a quick demo on this Kenmore machine I put up for sale. I'm still hopping on one foot. Still got a broke leg, so just bear with me. Alright. That's your straight stitch. Reverse. Hopefully that's showing up in the camera. Is that showing up? I'll show you again a little later. Just let it sew a little bit more. Has a thread cutter right in there, which is always nice to have. Now, one thing I've learned about these machines, these older vintage machines, you need to always make sure that your lever is up before you go taking off. Because if you don't, then your needle's going to come unthreaded. Alright, now to sew a straight stitch, you will keep your your sewing machine in this position, and then down here you will adjust your stitch length how you want it. Now up here is your width, and we can change this when we change the positions up here at the top. We've got a zigzag. I'm not going to move the camera right now, but I'll move it later on at the end of the video. I'll move the camera where you can see what I'm talking about. Some zigzag, just a little more. And depending on what you're sewing, you might need to adjust the tension a little bit, or your pressure. Here's a little heavier piece of fabric. It's more like a denim. Looks like my bobbin came out, ran out or something. Okay, let's see here. Ooh, wow. No bobbin thread. Okay, well, I'll show you how to wind a bobbin. So, what we do is actually, let's see if I don't have I don't have another spool, so I'll have to do it this way. I was going to go ahead and do it, wind it with this one and leave it threaded, but since I don't have another spool handy, now it's best to go ahead and put your thread through there and then twist a few times to get your thread started. Put it up on the, what's there, loosen your, oh me, this is one that you gotta unloosen it with the screw. So I'm not gonna do all that, but that's how you would do it. And then you you wind it, hit with your foot pedal, hit your foot pedal, and off it goes. Now there is a little screw there that you have to